Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix Twitter lag on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. After click on app management, click on app list. Scroll down to and click on Twitter app. After click on Twitter app, click on storage and cache if you want to fix this problem. So clear cache Twitter app. After clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, click on Twitter app and click on force stop. After click on force stop and click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.